Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here in 611C. We're doing a sketchbook tour day thing, end of the semester. We are here today with Yota. Yota, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing good,
Yeah.
Where are you from?
China.
And what
Nanjing.
city?
Yeah, Nanjing.
Wow, and are you going home for the winter break?
No, I'm going to Seattle where my brother lives there.
Wow, oh that's...
actually cousin, not brother.
That's really, really cool. All right, so let's do this. What's your dream job? Why are you here at SVA? What do you want to do when you graduate?
Basically animator, but I can do as much I can.
Okay.
I want to do as much as I can.
Yes.
Like director or storyboard, anything is okay.
Love it, love it. All right, you have got a beautiful sketchbook. So let's start flipping through this sucker and let's show everybody your absolute beautiful drawings. So this was back in September and you were practicing the rough skeleton, which I know probably was not your favorite. And then we have our peanut shapes and that's pretty cool. And you have an amazing style. I'm just gonna move this for a second, 1 second. Okay, you're good, you can keep flipping. That's better. Oh, wow. And so keep flipping. When you came to SVA, did you have like a really good art teacher back in China? Because you came with a lot of skill.
I think so. My teacher was from Savannah. He studied sculpture and he taught me how to draw figures and animals like that.
Yes. Savannah here in the United States?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. And that person was in China?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And what is your favorite pencil to draw with?
The blue pencil that school
The
gave
Col-erase
us.
pencil.
Yeah.
Yeah, agreed. That's my favorite one as well. And in your sketchbook, how long would you say you draw per day? Half an hour, 40 minutes?
I usually get very anxious when I open up my sketchbook, so it really takes me a long time to start drawing. But once I start sketching on the sketchbook, I'd be like,
Yes, yes.
And I think 4 to 5 hours a week.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
That's cool. And that's on top of all of your homework.
Yeah, sure.
So that's a lot of pencil mileage. Yeah, a lot of pencil mileage. Okay, and beautiful gesture drawing. So you're starting to loosen up a little bit, starting to feel what the class is all about. And these are just characters from photos or your imagination?
This one is my friend, and the rest three are raw photos.
Nice.
I love drawing from photos because I don't need to think too much, but I know I need to get rid of this bad habit. I need to think more about drawing.
Yes. Well, as long as you, wow, that's so pretty. As long as you divide your time, drawing from life, drawing from photos, and drawing out of your imagination. Now you decide what percentage. So maybe drawing from photos could be 50%, drawing from life could be 30%, drawing out of your imagination could be 20%. You decide. And that's a good way. And then that's going to change as you progress through the semester. Wow. So this was a long time ago, back in September.
Yeah.
Nice.
Am I moving too fast or too slow?
You're not too fast.
Okay.
Not too fast. Very nice page. Oh my God. Yeah, you could draw. This is good stuff. This was a long time ago, people. We're probably entering October right now. And good stuff. And yeah, so you want to do animation?
Yes.
Wow. This was the homework on how to use values and how to draw with tone. And you really, what is your favorite way to draw? Do you like to draw with tone or do you like to draw with line? You can keep flipping.
Both okay.
You like both?
Yeah.
That is a beautiful page, my goodness. You have a lot of good pages in this sketchbook. And what was your one key, keep flipping. What was your one key takeaway from my class? What was the one thing that helped you? That is gorgeous.
Push down harder. Press down harder. Sorry.
Press down harder.
Press
on
down
your pencil
harder.
Because you were drawing too lightly in the beginning?
Yeah, I'm losing lots of values.
Yes. So you
Like
were drawing,
this, it's too light.
I see. So you were drawing so light that we could barely see it.
Yeah, but
So-
I think I'm changing after that.
Yes. So this is very important for everybody. You need to figure out if you're light-handed or heavy-handed and then adjust. So you want to try to use all of the values, and you should always draw with a value scale close by until you're trained to use all the values. That's a nice self-portrait. Very cool, very cool.
Thank you.
Wow. And some stylized work. The way that you draw these quick sketches, it's really good stuff.
Oh, I ruined that face, so I just cut it off.
That's cool. That's interesting how you did that. But this is, how long does something like that take you?
Half an hour to 1 hour.
Okay, good. Wow.
These are just faster, like
Yeah, just
15
fast
minutes.
sketches. I gotcha. Beautiful. So fill in the sketchbook. This is how we get better. Nice. Some features of the face. Good.
Mouths and mouths, eyes. I don't know.
Yes, yes.
Eyes, mouth, nose,
Beautiful.
legs.
Beautiful. Wow. And so I'm reminding everybody that Yota is in first year of college.
Oh,
and
this one is my favorite. This single face. I love it so much.
Super pretty. Wow. Super pretty
I
page.
may never draw such a perfect face.
I know the feeling. I know the feeling. This is, yeah, you're only in first year and you draw this well. Wow. Most of you, you should have gone to college in the 80s. So I could have been like your classmate. And so I could have learned from you. That would have been a good thing.
This is also from homework.
Yes, how to draw hands, how to
And
draw feet. Good exercises for everybody when you have been drawing the figure for 6 weeks in a row. Get your hands and feet to catch up with the quality of your torsos and everything else.
Oh.
Oh, that's me with hair.
Yeah.
At my wedding ceremony, we're gonna bypass these pages. Thank you so much, Yota. Appreciate that.
And these are some clothes. Yes, fabrics.
Yes, how to draw fabric. Gotcha.
Fabrics.
Excellent. Nice, nice. And so how was it for you to finish this sketchbook? Was it, keep flipping, was it overwhelming?
No. I'll say I'm too lazy.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you have to push yourself to draw it
Yes,
here.
I should have drawn more.
I see. Well, no, this is a beauty. This is a really nice sketchbook.
These are all our classmates.
Yeah, there's, I
And
see.
also our classmates.
There's Deanne, just finished Deanne's sketchbook. What do you think of Deanne's drawings? Crazy.
I'm losing
good?
words. I don't. Goddess.
Yeah, agreed, agreed. Oh, I love this one, even though it was the boring homework. It's just how to draw values
Yeah.
and fabric. Very good.
And this is from Iton, my classmate. We were exchanging our sketchbook.
Yes.
And this is hers and this is mine.
Nice.
Or two different styles.
Yes, we were gonna film Yitong's sketchbook today, but not today, right? Right, Yitong? Yitong, say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
We're gonna film your sketchbook in January,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. All right. Awesome.
More
cool.
classmates.
Nice.
Some kissing.
That's very hard to
I
draw.
love this one.
Yeah,
Because
that's...
I pressed very hard on the mouth.
Yes.
So it gets a point.
Oh God, I love that one too. Wow. Nice job.
Thank you.
These are gorgeous.
Classmates.
Who is that on the top?
Actually, a friend, not classmates, but it's
Oh.
also from SVA.
Okay. Nice.
Doggy.
And how about you? How was finishing your animation for the animation class? Hard? Did you finish it?
No.
Okay, we won't talk about that then.
I'm just too bad at managing my time.
Gotcha, gotcha. I like that you're doing different things in your sketchbook.
These are my favorite animations characters.
Nice. Whoa, beautiful. This is a beautiful sketchbook, my goodness.
Fully cool.
Nice. Very cool. You got a lot of good variety. You even draw these cartoon characters really awesome. I see one of your classmates. Yeah. Good. And a little bit of 5-point perspective.
Yes, that's also the homework.
Yes, you're gonna have really good fun next year in perspective class.
Oh no.
It's just think backgrounds for your animation. It's easy. Whoa, nice job.
I'm starting to press hard on some points of the figures,
Yes.
which makes me feel good.
Yeah, growth. And you have to have the minimum of 3 values in your drawing, a dark, a middle tone, and a light. I love these silhouetted shapes.
Meow. Sorry.
Awesome.
Some mean.
So we're getting towards the end of the sketchbook here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This one, I don't like it very much.
Okay.
The proportion is...
Very nice. Super pretty. I gotta draw more this winter break. I'm gonna come back to crush it. Absolutely. And the anatomy, I appreciate that. Thank you. I know that was not your favorite. Oh my God, what a cool page. Good. Torture. It wouldn't be school if there wasn't a little bit of torture.
Actually, I kind of enjoy this.
Good. When I draw the figure, that's, oh my God, that is beautiful. When I draw the figure, I'm primarily drawing anatomy and the shape of the anatomy. So when I watch this video before I post it, I'm sure I'm gonna hear myself say the same word about 1,000 times. Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, now we're at the Museum of Natural History on our field trip day. How did you like that place?
I love it. So many beautiful birds and like different creatures.
Yes. I wish we can go to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, but they just happen to be closed on Wednesdays, which to me is insane. But this is a good museum. Very nice. Wow.
I think we're coming to
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, this is a...
Wow, that was close to the end.
Yeah.
Totally. All right. Yota, listen, 14 minutes. We did good. Thank you so much. Now, do you have social media?
Yes.
Okay,
sure.
so we'll put it in the show notes below, and you're gonna write it in my sketchbook before you leave here today. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next semester.
See you.
All right, thank you, Yota. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, make sure you give Yota Sketchbook a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon.